Welcome back, welcome back. Welcome back to Odin Homestead down here in Zone 7A, Tennessee. Today, we finna plant us a Bing cherry tree. Yeah, got us another one. Got it at Lowe's for 37, about 38 bucks. Couldn't beat that. The ones I've been seeing online going anywhere from $49 to $89. And they're only like 2 to 3 foot. And you can see this one is about 5 foot. Got some nice looking scaffolding branches on it. So we're gonna develop it and see if it'll be a perfect companion for our lapine cherry. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put it in a hole. I already got the hole dug. Nothing special, no fertilizer, nothing like that. And, you know, it's spring. I mean, it's wintertime still here. But it looked like the buds is starting to swell on it. So I want to get it in the ground before it wake up. So it'll be in its new home. So when spring comes, he'll be ready to join the crowd and grow. Make us a good tree. Hopefully. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. Got that. We gotta create another garden row to be able to produce more crops this year. Trying to grow as much annual vegetables as I can, like tomatoes and onions and carrots and stuff like that we enjoy to eat, so we can put back in can as much as we possibly can this year. Because, you know, we're in crazy times. Looking for the chicken coop to go up here at any time when I get some more free time. So we're trying to bring some chickens in here so we can start getting them eggs. Because, you know, the cost of eggs is outrageous right now, fam. Outrageous. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna get this tree in the hole, and I come back and show y'all how it looking. Some of these blueberries look like they about to start popping off too. I'll show y'all some of them in a second. Oh yeah, there he goes. There he goes. In the ground. All snugged in. Not even gonna water him in. It's saturated here. It's ground. It's saturated. We've been getting so much rain in the last few weeks. So it'll be alright. Some dogs acting a fool like always. Acting a fool. Yeah, I was telling you about the blueberries. Some of them are starting to pop. Let me zoom out a little bit. Some of them are starting to wake up, showing their true colors. I see your true colors shining through. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. I can't wait for spring. Can't wait for spring. Can't wait. See there? Starting to wake up. Looking nice and lovely. These Nat King cherries. Can't wait to see what they gonna do. My lapine cherry. You finally got you a mate here, mate. Got you a mate. You did supposed to have one. Supposed to have a Bing on this side. You can see, but this side never came alive. It died. So I cut that off. And so I got him a mate. Bing to the rescue. Yes. But I am looking forward to this growing season, y'all. 2023, I think it's gonna be epic. I hope my grapes show up and show out this year. Lord, let them do what they do. I'm sorry about that, y'all. The wind is blowing like crazy down here. It's like 45 degrees. I'm still out here. I don't care. You know, growing is my passion, so that's where I'm gonna be. Well, the place to be is besides in the garden. I'm happy too because this is my first weekend off this year, and no, it was not gave to me. I had to take a vacation day to get it. I only had 2 days off really this year, and that's awesome. So, been some long work days for me. Long, depressing winter. Can't get out here in my garden. My greenhouse, y'all, has been a total. It's not. It didn't go nowhere near like I planned. A lot of stuff took a lot of dieback. A lot of dieback. I don't know if some stuff even still alive, but we shall see. I protected the bananas this year very well, but we had record low temperatures here for like 2 or 3 weeks in a row. Got down to like -4, -5 with the wind chill, feeling like -40, -50. Hold on, let me holler at these dogs, y'all. Stop! Well, they just wilding today. They testing my patience. Testing my patience. They get outside and they don't know how to act. Don't know how to act. Look at them. They ain't got to get out much because of, cold weather. I can't be out here. All this rain. Can't be out here. Quit it, St. Thomas. Quit digging holes, boy. Only thing you got really growing here is onions. Onions, and more onions. What, like 40, 50 sets of onions. Strawberry bed finna be rejuveniles. We ready for this growing season. Finna put them up, mount them up in rows. I bet you it's probably about 200 strawberry plants right there, if not more. And I got more in that raised bed over there I'm gonna take out and put in here too. So we should get a pretty good, decent sized crop of strawberries this year, which we did last year too. I can't lie, we got so many strawberries last year, it was unreal. I'm looking forward to this growing season. I can't wait. I got a little extra motivation from my friend David Corey with the crops. I was watching Wind Down Wednesday, that Hands in the Dirt show, and he was talking about how he seen David Corey's video and how he was just throwing shots at everybody, calling everybody out on the garden challenge. And I'm sitting there listening, laughing. And he gonna put in the chat in big bold letters. He didn't put the whole Odom's Homestead. He put Odom. You can get it. You can get it. That's what he said. He said, Odom, you can get it. Boy, I had to sit there and ponder that for a minute. Cause I was like, man, pondering for a second. And you know me. Growing is my passion. I say it all the time. And you challenge somebody like me with a passion like that I have, boy. All I gotta say is I want all the smoke. It's on David Corey with the crop. Every harvest video this year will say hashtag David Corey with the crops. Let's get it. Odom's Homestead, growing is my passion.